just feel free to ask me. Okay, then UMS is called Unified Management System. So which for unified management, remote access, and monitoring of device status. And then I will introduce the features of UMS in several parts, including device installation, device configuration, upgrade, and user management, and system setup. So the first one, UMS system needs to be set up on Linux. So for this demonstration, I set up a virtual machine to install UMS. So after logging the UMS, let me show you the part of device. And we can get the device status on this page, and it will show us the % of online and offline devices. And you can also refresh in real time to check the online status of your device. And this is the device list, which can use for adding your device or edit it. So this is the page of the device information, and we need to enter the password of your device into here. And then in configuration page, we can select device and configure it as you need. So certainly we can also access into it remotely or remote control it. And we can see I have added a device here right now, and I can click the login devices. So that I can log in it remotely. So this is the feature of remote access. And we can also restore factory setting and restart it and so on. And we can see the alarms in fact here. So next one is the upgrade interface. We can arrange upgrading tasks and can also set auto upgrade in specific time. But there is a point that we must upload the config files onto the UMS before we upgrade the device. For example, we can upgrade the config files, and we can also upgrade. We can also upload the upgrade package here, and this is the one I have uploaded before. So this is the 204 version of the OM50G. And in this interface, the task interface, we can arrange some auto work, such as backup configurations, download, call log, and reboot, and so on. And it will be much more convenient if we have lots of devices to manage. And here it will show you the history text you have arranged before. So next one in the monitor alarms. This page, it will show you, it will show you the alarm events of all devices in real time. And we have also a sense we have also assigned the different colors according to the level of event. And certainly you can edit it if you need to change the event level and the description of the event. And then in management interface, we can create a users as you need. And also we can assign different rules to each account. So of course, this is the rule page for the users, and we can also set the permissions of the rules here. We can choose the permission of the rules, such as, for example, I have created a administrative rule, and I can give it permission of the device and monitor alarm and to check the device group parameters and so on. And then this is the parameters interface, and we can check all the parameters of the gateway and the IP-PBX here. So if you need to configure any parameters, and when you forget it, you can search here. We can find the parameter name and its ID and also its description. Certainly, we can also find the value list here. And these two pages is I have introduced before that we need to upload the config file and the upgrade package first before we need to upgrade our devices. And this is the operation log. And we can choose the different event. Okay, then there is a important point here that if we need to use the unified management system and we need to create a cloud accountant and we need to abandon it to the UMS. So that's for sign the device conveniently, and we can also sign it in the real time. And here is the cloud information of your accountant. So here is the briefly features of the UMS, and any question you want to ask me. So I see the question of Rager. No, it doesn't require the license. So is it premise-based or cloud-based, the application, or work on both? Yes, it's work on both. So you can just use on UMS. For example, you can see the sample here that for this picture, I have added it in manually, and in this picture, I sign from the cloud. So I have different method of adding the different devices onto the UMS. So you can only just work on the UMS, or you can work on them both. So it's not necessary that you must have a cloud accountant when you use the UMS. Any question more? Admin access, can it be given server admin to monitor one out of several devices? Yes, you can set here. You can set the permission. So I can show you this the URL interface, and you can change it. You can change the device. For example, I can choose the device group, and it will cancel some device in a specific device group. So in this here, when you create a users, you can only give it permission to access the IP-PBX group, or just access into the gateway group. Can we upgrade the firmware from UMS, and can be specific which device what we want to upgrade? Yes, sure. Yes, you can range the task here, or just use the upgrade the function. So for example, if I want to upgrade my ONF50, so I can choose the date today. I can choose the today and enter the description of this task, and I can choose the upgrade